Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in Velvet Red Pearl. With black headlamp bezel finish, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black Jeep badging, black lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 22,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, leather wrapped shift knob, a power sunroof, a power liftgate, and it's all powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5742.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.